This is my bike check. This is a 2011 Eastern Boss frame. Start off with the front. These are human bars kink. I got the kink clear grips with the Eastern Boss bar ends. I got the Demolition A-head cutout. Got the FitBicycle stock stem. Got the FitBicycle forks. Got the skinny. I got the Big Baller profile. The profile hub, profile racing rim. Got the FitBicycle 2.25 tire in the front. Street. Then we go to here's the whole fit pivotal. I got the Eastern 8 burnout tire in the back. With the black cheap back rim with a mission hub. Got the profile 3-piece. I got the Medusa Light Eastern 8 2012 sprocket with a nitrous half-link chain. As you see, that's the Allen key in the front of the rim. Allen key, both sides. Bike weighs about, I would say, no more than 20 pounds. Weighs about 19 pounds, go over 19. I got the Shadow Conspiracy spacer. Profile.